Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Doris. I'm here to show you about my stock account and today's market updates. The Santa Claus market is expected to be staged in the US state, and the US stocks can extend the recent rally. So recently, the Dow and S&P and Nasdaq overall have contributed to higher weekly gains in the past week, and as the Christmas is coming in the next week, investors generally have a stronger expectation for the performance of the U.S. stock market, and due to relatively light macroeconomic data, and the Dow Jones recently hit a record high for 5 straight days, and S&P 500 briefly approached all-time highs, boosted by outlook for a Fed rate cut. However, all three major indexes fell more than 1% on Wednesday. Some analysts attribute it to low volume, active trading on zero date, and profit taking by some investors. Still, the U.S. market will soon have recovered and continued higher on Thursday and Friday. At this month's rate meeting, Fed officials ignited market optimism by suggesting that they could cut interest rates 3 times next year. While several Fed officials have tried to pour cold water on it, investors did not believe their remarks and believe the policymakers will cut interest rates soon. Investors now have a nearly 90% chance of expectations that the Fed will cut interest rates in March, according to the Fed Watch tool. Edward Jones, senior investment strategist, Anglo Corcafas, said, "People will continue to think the Fed will be dovish, which provides support for the market and sentiment that is unlikely to change next week." Investors with large trading volume may seek to enter market next week, as they fear to miss out on the stock market rally, known as FOMO sentiment, and stands for fear of missing out. I think the market is a bit rushed based on the extent of the rebound so far, but I think the market could move higher because of this sentiment. In addition, the next week is expected to be the Santa Claus market. According to the past 70 years, the U.S. stock market is likely to perform strong in the 7 trading days and the last 5 trading days of the year, and the first 2 trading days of next year. So the 7 trading days are also known as Santa Claus market. An overview of the major economic events for the next Wednesday is December 15th, Bank of Japan Governor Yoshida and speaking at a meeting of Tokyo Federation of Economic Groups, and U.S. October FHFA Home Price Index month-on-month, and the S&P CS 220 Big City Home Price Index annualized, and the Federal Reserve Business Activity Index recorded by Dallas Fed. And on Wednesday, the December Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index and BOJ releasing a summary of the comments of members reviewing the December monetary policy meeting. Thursday is U.S. November existing home contracted sales index month-on-month, API crude oil, and initial jobless claims. Friday is Chicago PMI, Switzerland, December KOF Economic Leading Indica. This is all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next episode.